Alright, one of my hobbies is growing plants. Right here is these two things are raspberries, that's what it is. My other hobby is growing tobacco. This is a pretty good looking leaf right here. A little bit of holes in them, but not too major. It's gonna be a good one. This is a good one as well. I'm not sure what, I forgot the names of these ones, but I think these ones here are Virginia Gold. This one here and this one here, Virginia Gold. The leaves aren't very big because I let these go to seed so I can collect the seeds for next year. See, I have them all numbered 4, 2. This one might be a Turkish or something, and then it's supposed to be a small black mammoth. This one here, I think. This is a 3, and I forgot what I had. I think Habana longleaf. This 3. This one's supposed to be a Habana longleaf. I think the one in the ground is a Habana longleaf as well. Habana long. And yeah, let's see. What I think this was supposed to be a small black mammoth. This one here is supposed to be a Turkish. Some Turkish tobacco for cigarettes. Really good stuff. And yeah, I'm just gonna mix them all up. You can see there's a little flower blooming right there. Yeah, flowers look really nice. Hummingbirds love the nectar. These collect a lot of little gnats. It's like a natural fly catcher, a little gnat catcher. Underneath the leaves are very sticky. This one had a caterpillar problem. The same kind of caterpillars that like to eat tomato plants. And yeah, this one's nice and big, nice long leaf. But I'm letting this one go to seed too. There's the flowers there, nice flowers. And this one down here, I'm gonna pick the flowers off so it can get nice big long leaves all the way through its life. But I'm pretty much near the end of the tobacco season. I'll start it again next summer. I'll start new seedlings next summer. But yeah, I'm just keeping these alive so I can see what happens if you keep them alive through a California winter. See, these are ready to be picked, these small leaves here. These all the small leaves can be used as filler. And then the long leaves here I can use for wrappers or bindings. Underneath this towel here I have some fermenting. I just started these on their fermenting journey today. So I just have this right here, nice and hot. Yep, that's all I got so far. There's a little experiment here. This one is almost albino. It's like whiter than my skin. It's about whiter than my skin here. And it's very strange. It's a deficiency in like nitrogen. So that's why it turns white like that, because it doesn't have enough fertilizer in it. When they're in the ground like that, they seem to do very well. But you can see I have horrible oxalis, all this crap here, all this shit right here. This is bad because it takes over everything, even the whole garden. Wintertime, this is gonna be everywhere. This shit right here. But yeah, it's easy to pick them out when the ground's wet. Yeah, I think they make poisons for this stuff. This oxalis or whatever it's called. It's clover leaf oxalis. But I don't want to put poison around my tobacco here. Don't worry, this is just getting hit by the sun real hard. But once the sun goes away, these will perk right up because there's plenty of water here for this plant and the orange tree right here. So I can't wait till these get to a little bit better maturity. I'll pick the smaller ones out of it and let the the more mature ones. Oops, I have a little question mark sign here. Used to be tobacco planters. But yeah, I'll probably pick this one. If this one doesn't make it, I'll have an extra one right there. And the same goes with this one here. There's one right here. There's one right there, one right there. So yeah, I didn't actually think these would sprout, but I was wrong. They sprouted. Yep, probably has to. I'm gonna have to water this big one right here. It seems to be drinking its water quite quickly. It's still pretty good. That's all I got for. Oh, I was gonna do a video update on my blowing out the lines, but my girlfriend took my camera to her place, so I blew out all the lines. I blew out all the lines in the car, and yeah, it didn't seem like there was much of a blockage. I got the car to turn over. The car turns over good now for some reason. I checked this for spark and I had spark. Yeah. So I'm guessing it's just a bad fuel pump. So I'm just gonna put another fuel pump on it, mechanical fuel pump, and it should work again. All right, I'll update that in another video. Here's some different stages of tobacco here. I have it drying. This one's a little bit more drier than these ones, but I can spritz it. Some water, spray of some distill. This is a little dry. This one's a little dry. That one's nice and soft. This one's getting dry because it was already drying on the tree there. And yeah, here's some more right here. Yep. So some of these can go in my little box. I think these two. This one's a little. This one definitely can go in the box. Well, I think this one right here can go in as well to the box here. And these ones are ready for bagging up into a bag, a Ziploc bag, like these ones over here. These are on the Ziploc trying to ferment. They're already changing color, all darker and stuff. Alright, that's the end of the video, and subscribe.